sausage factory worker has died in the Philippines after being dragged headfirst into a meat mixing machine. Jomer Junco, 18, had only been working at the factory in Iloilo City for 2 weeks before he was killed on Saturday. The horror accident unfolded around 7:30 a.m. when it is thought the teenager got his right arm caught in the mechanism and it dragged him inside. Jomer did not know how to work the machine, which was supposed to be operated by coworker Carl David Carlos, who was more experienced, local media said. The accident happened when Carl stepped away for a moment and Jomer tried to operate the machine alone. When the shocked coworker returned, he saw Jomer's leg sticking out of the machine and rushed to turn it off, but it was too late to save him. Police were called and managed to extract his body from the machine, which was wounded by intact. Funeral director R.D. Porras told local media that she believes Jomer actually died by suffocation. He was not grinded, he was just stuck, Police Major Mark Evan Salvo added. Police are investigating the death as a matter of routine and say that no evidence of foul play has been uncovered. Jaisal Jaleko, the owner of the factory, said Junco's job was to pack finished products and that he should not have been operating any machinery.